Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a product search bar to your website page. So what we're going to create is a search bar like this, but instead of placing it in the navigation area, we'll add it directly on the page section like this. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Layout. You can add it on your main homepage. Or for this example, we'll demonstrate it on a custom page. You can either edit an existing page or create a new one. Now, before we add the search bar, let's insert a short text section first. Click Add Section, then choose Text. Here you can write something like, "Find your favorite product here," or "Search for what you need below." Feel free to customize the text style, adjust the size, color, or alignment based on your website's design. Once done, click Done and drag this text to the position where you want it to appear. Next, we'll add a new section for the search bar itself. Click Add Section again and search for Product Search Bar. Select it, click Done, and drag it right below the text we just added. Now click on the Settings button. Next, adjust the width, height, font size, curve, and border size according to your needs. You can also customize the outline color, text color, content color, and more. Click Save, and let's take a look at the result. Here's what it looks like. Let's try typing a product name in the search bar. Customers can either click one of the autocomplete results or press Enter to search directly. We hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. Also, follow Burdu on social media for more helpful content. See you in the next video.